guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make anti-dandruff shampoo at home. And when I was done with that, I grated my aloe vera into the same container with the cinnamon, and I grated my aloe vera, the first one with the bark, because I needed the properties from the bark of the aloe vera. Now once you take out the tea bag, the next thing I did was to boil it. I took it to the kitchen and boiled it for about 2 to 3 minutes so that everything would just incorporate together. Now this was 3 minutes later. It was very hot and I couldn't properly carry it in my hand. I'll leave it to settle down for some time. I left it for about 20 minutes, and when it was cool, I decided to pour it in to the container that had the cinnamon and the aloe vera. I didn't add it when it was hot to the aloe vera because I wanted the aloe vera to maintain its properties. And now I should have said it in the beginning, but this process is a bit messy and sieving process is a bit messy, but once you're done you can just clean up. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Now at this part, I'll be putting in some of my shampoo into the container where I want the new dandruff shampoo to be in. You can put as much as you want. I put quite a lot or a bit, whichever one. And after this process, I'll be pouring in some of my mixture in and mixing it properly with this shampoo. Now this is the part where the apple cider vinegar comes in, and the reason why I didn't add it to the other shampoo container or bottle was because of its smell. It doesn't really smell nice, and I don't think I would want it to be in a large portion. So I mix up like a little bit of it with shampoo and the remaining solution that I made, Now this is the first one that I used to wash my hair. First time I'm washing my hair, I use this shampoo, but I use it thoroughly because the apple cider vinegar really works well. So I use it for a long time. Like I really use it to scrub my hair properly before I use the other shampoo pack to wash my hair. So this comes first, and after this I then use the other shampoo that doesn't contain apple cider vinegar. And that is it, guys. So I hope you guys try this shampoo out and let me know in the comment section what it was like for you, because it's really helped cure my dandruff, and it's really like it lathers properly. Like I didn't have any issue with the lathering when I was washing my hair. So thank you guys, and see you guys next time. Bye.